Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Struggling to get enough vegetables in your diet? This roasted vegetables recipe is just the answer you're looking for. We're using a variety of bell peppers, mushroom, onion, cauliflower, and broccoli in this recipe. With healthy fats and seasonings, we're amping up the flavor and making them taste great without sacrificing our health. Best of all, it's really easy to make and hard to mess up. Simply chop, toss, roast, and you're done. Here's how to make it. Start by rinsing all of your vegetables. We're using 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, half a red onion, 6 ounces of broccoli florets, 6 ounces of cauliflower florets, and 8 ounces of mushrooms. Dry all of your vegetables after you finish washing them. Take out a cutting board and begin cutting your bell peppers into 3/4 inch to 1 inch pieces. We will be using this size for all of our vegetables, so do the best that you can to make them as consistent as possible. No worries if they aren't the same size, as they will likely still cook fine. Repeat this process for your remaining bell peppers. Then continue cutting your remaining vegetables into 3/4 inch to 1 inch pieces. Once you're done cutting, preheat your oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out a baking sheet, place some parchment paper on it, add all of your chopped vegetables onto the baking sheet, and then drizzle 3 tablespoons of olive oil. For our seasonings, we're using 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, which are optional. Mix everything together until all of your vegetables are evenly coated in the oil and seasonings. We'll want to spread out our vegetables so there's room between them. This is where having a second baking dish is handy, so if you have one, take one out and transfer some of your vegetables on there. If you don't have a second baking dish, you can transfer half of your vegetables to a bowl and bake half of them in one batch, then bake the other half in a second batch. Bake on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we'll want to rotate the pans 180 degrees and then finish baking them for another 15 minutes. Once they're done baking, remove them from the oven, garnish with fresh parsley, and you're good to go with your roasted vegetables. You've got a variety of different vegetables that will not only give you numerous nutritional benefits, but also keep it interesting. No more eating the same boring veggies over and over again. It's a very simple and easy side dish that you can easily pair with your favorite main dish. The recipe is also flexible and versatile. Feel free to swap out certain veggies for your preferred veggies. If you enjoyed the recipe, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Comment if you have any questions or if you intend to make this recipe. Thank you all for the support, and I hope you look forward to the next video.